Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Tarmanjot Sidhu aka Tarman Tech. Today I am going to review the new smartwatch Noise ColorFit Pro 2. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is the box of Noise ColorFit Pro 2 and it has three colors, mainly teal green, jet black and mist grey, and it is designed in India. And if we turn the box to the back, we can see all the key specifications of this watch, and the model we have today is jet black in color. Wasting any time, let's unbox the watch. So let's see what we get inside. Firstly, we get this user manual to know how to use the smartwatch. Keeping it aside, then there is our smartwatch. And opening the box further, we get this charging cable and we also get this warranty card. This watch comes with a Bluetooth version 5.0, and if you have to connect it with your smartphone, all you have to do is install the NoiseFit app from Play Store or App Store. So let's start our smartwatch. Firstly, we have to peel this off and press this button. So this is how our watch looks like, and it has got plenty of features such as sports mode, in which we get walk, run, bike, hike, climbing, workout, spinning, treadmill and yoga. And then after we have got the heart rate sensor, in which we can monitor our heart rate, an alarm, music control, stopwatch, in which we get a timer and a stopwatch, and talking about the other features, we have also got Find My Phone feature in it, and we can also see the notification from different apps such as Instagram, WhatsApp and many more. And it can also count our footsteps in a day, number of kilometers we have walked and the calories we have burned, and as we can see the week total. To change the watch face, all we have to do is press the screen and the numerous watch faces will appear, and we can choose any one of them like this. Now let's talk about the build quality and design of this smartwatch. This smartwatch has these silicone straps which are very screen friendly, and it has a display of 1.3-inch IPS touchscreen. Moving further through the design, it is square in shape, which gives it similar look as of the Apple smartwatch. Talking about the battery life of this smartwatch, it has a 210 mAh battery which will last you along 6 to 7 days in a single charge. The current price of this smartwatch is around 2800 rupees. And now the biggest question, is this watch worth that 2800 rupees or not? Personally speaking, I have been using that watch from the past 15 days and I have not come across any of the issues. So if you are considering to buy this watch, I will definitely recommend it. If you have enjoyed watching this video, then consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.